This is my copy stand. It cost me roughly £100. It's built to support my 6D with a 100mm macro lens, and without any cosmetic work done, it can be assembled in a few minutes. The past few years I have found myself shooting more and more film, and when sending all these rolls off to the lab for developing and scanning, the cost of shooting film piles up really quickly. So I started exploring other options. How can I continue shooting film without compromising in quality and without feeling limited from the increasing costs? I noted down 3 main categories which I would need to rethink: film scanning, film developing, and film choice. In this video we'll discuss the first category, film scanning. The last few years we have seen many different products coming out that can aid you to scan film at home. While conventional flatbed scanners haven't been upgraded, and most companies don't seem to bother innovating in this, great progress has been made in DSLR scanning. There are tons of resources about scanning film with a digital camera, so I'm not going to elaborate with the various options. I will briefly say that the idea is to use some sort of a film holder with a light source underneath, and then mounting your digital camera on a stand or tripod and photographing the negative. After lots of research online, I went with the essential film holder and the Viltrox 116T as the light source. The last piece of the puzzle was the copy stand. After looking online and finding that most options range from £150 all the way to £600, I wasn't prepared to spend this amount of money for something that seemed quite simple to me. All I needed was a stable stand to hold my camera. A tripod didn't sound like a good solution, as it would take a lot of time to set up and align, something that would make scanning film a chore that I would definitely avoid. I looked online for other options, and through Reddit I stumbled upon someone who used 3 simple items: a flange, a pipe, and a piece of plywood. I thought it was brilliant. A cheap and sturdy solution that can be assembled in a couple of minutes. So here's what I got. A piece of plywood. I went for a 25mm thick piece that measured 45 by 45, a 1-inch pipe, a 1-inch flange, a super clamp with a stud, and a tripod head. Now, since I was going to place that permanently in my room, I figured I should probably bother to make it look a little nicer. I opted for a black colored stain in order to darken the wood while retaining the wood's natural patterns, and then went with a clear matte varnish to keep it protected. From then on, it was straightforward. I fastened the flange in place, screwed the pipe in it, attached the super clamp and the tripod head, and I was ready to go. Before placing the copy stand, I added a piece of anti-slip material in order to have a better grip and reduce any potential movement from bumping on it. I also opted for a cutting mat to make alignment easier. All in all, I think it ended up looking really clean. It sits nicely on the white furniture I placed it, and I like how everything looks. I think it's much nicer than leaving it unpainted. The final piece feels rock solid and has eliminated any setup time. I only need to mount the camera and double check my alignment, then I can get through a roll in a couple of minutes. If you're looking to build something similar or are interested in the products mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the blog post I put together with all the details about measurements, costs, and links to all the products mentioned, along with reviews of them. And for those of you already scanning at home, let me know down in the comments, how did you approach this part of the process? Did you build something similar or went with one of the products available in the market? I'm interested to see other people's designs. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.